Let me show you how to install Blender. It's quick and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. First, open your web browser and go to the official Blender website at blender.org. We'll leave a link in the description for you. Once there, click on the download button on the home page. You'll be taken to a page with different versions of Blender for various operating systems. Select the version that matches your operating system. If you're using Windows, click the Windows button. For macOS, click macOS, and for Linux, choose the Linux option. The download should start automatically. Once the download is complete, go into your Downloads folder and open the installer file. For Windows, this will be a .exe file, and for macOS, it will be a .dmg file. If you're on Windows, click Run and follow the prompts to install Blender. On macOS, open the .dmg file and drag Blender to your Applications folder. Once the installation is complete, you can open Blender by finding it in your Start menu on Windows or the Application folder on macOS. That's it. You now have Blender installed and are ready to use. Hope this video helped.